In this guide, we're going over what can you buy with a Google Play balance. Intro. Now, Google Play balance can be used for many eligible digital purchases through the Google Play Store. You can use it to buy paid apps and games, as well as in-app purchases like game currency, upgrades, premium features when the app uses Google Play billing. You can also use your balance for certain subscriptions purchased through Google Play as long as Google Play balance is supported as a payment method for that subscription. And depending on your country, you may also be able to use it for digital content such as books, movies, or other entertainment sold through Google services. Now, Google Play balance generally cannot be used to buy physical products, send money to another person, withdraw cash, or purchase Google Play gift cards. And you're going to need enough balance for a purchase most of the times, unless Google does allow you to combine it with another payment method. And that's what you can buy with a Google Play balance. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.